If you are wondering if we have a macro mode available on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is unfortunately no. Sadly, we do not have a dedicated macro mode or the macro camera that can be used to take macro photos. Usually, if it is available, you can find a flower icon in the camera on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, or sometimes you can find a dedicated macro mode in here in this more section, but in this case you will not be able to find any of these things. So if you want to take macro photos, then you want to keep the distance between the subject that you want to photograph and your camera, and then you want to use a little bit of zoom. You can of course use even more than that, like for example you can use even 5 or 6x, and you can still take decent macro photos, but you don't want to keep the camera too close because otherwise you will lose the focus and the photo is going to be blurry. But this is how we can take a somewhat decent macro photo just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.